Hello and welcome to Grumpy's Train Set. Today I'm going to do some track weathering. I'm using Phoenix track colour P977 matte. I'm not going to show all the detailing because it's long and laborious, but I will show you some bits. Now, I'm not too bothered if I do get some on the top of the rails because that can be cleaned off later. This is the first time I've attempted doing this, so I know I'm going to make mistakes and I expect to be slated for it. But hey ho, it's my track and I'll do it my way. I'm not going to do the far side of the track here because you can't see it from this angle. I'm just doing the side you can see from over here. No doubt there's various different techniques. I'm just doing what's best for me. These bits I will be going on over with a rusty red. I'm just hoping it looks okay when it dries. And like a fool I am, I should have maybe done the far track first instead of the nearest track to me, because now I have to lean over. But we learn by our mistakes, and I'll know for when I get further around the track, do the far side first. And I am being careful around the points not to get any, because we don't want that being stuck with paint. I think that would be a bit of a pain. And hopefully when I put the ballasting down, it will cover any bits that I've missed. That's my theory anyhow.